Hey guys, what is up? And today I've just received my Ethics V3 silk motors. In the package they came with this, some stickers, and this thing. So here are the motors. They are 2345 kV, 2306 stator, 9mm bearings. It's got a thicker shaft than the other one, the V1s. Here are the V1s compared to the V3s. So this one has a smaller shaft, and you can see how this kind of raised up, and these ones are not. That's different. Pretty cool. And in the package, they came with these little protectors, I guess, or pants or something. They just stick on there like that. They have the Steele mustache in them. It's pretty cool. So let's get them installed on the drone. So here's what my drone is before. It's got the blaster motors on it. So we're gonna real quick swap those out with the V3s. Alright, so I'm on the floor right now plugging this in because if it catches on fire I don't want to die. So, first power on. Nice. We're on default PIDs right now. We're going to test the first motor. Second motor. Third motor. So let's go to the fourth one. So I'm just going to arm it. And then as soon as I give it a little bit of throttle. Oh, Jesus. So the last clip you saw there was the drone spiraling into the sky. So what I actually had to do was reverse the motors by just taking these and just twisting them and switching them up a bit. So yeah, when you get yours, you might have to do that. Okay guys, so that's all for today. So like and subscribe if you'd like to see me do any more videos like this, any more reviews on stuff. overall, I like the motors. They're pretty good. They don't really have that much mid-throttle oscillations anymore. You guys saw the video. So, yeah, like and subscribe for more. See you next time.